for athletes to participate.
We'll break away because that's the introduction of the men's 200 meters finals coming up. Rahman Tariq of Bangladesh in 1, Rifat Adam of Maldives in 2, Pratik Maharana just going off from Odisha, he's in 3, Vidushan of Sri Lanka is in 4. That's the Indian Sandeep Singh, the youngster. Arun Mahato of Nepal is in 5, Arun 6, correction, Darshana of Sri Lanka in 7, and KC Sushil of Nepal in 8. The while the 200 meters is about to start, this is the last of them. KC Sushil, the Sri Lankans again, the 100 and the 200 and the 4x100 men and women going the Sri Lankan way. So I think you did mention that they have been always good at sprints, 100, 200 and the 400. But what an opportunity for them out here, isn't it? Coming to the big brother India and learning so many tricks of the trade.
See, this result will definitely get support from the government.
That's right.
That we are also at par with India in some events.
Yes.
So that is being needed.
Yes.
So I think they are tremendous in sprint. Now they have come up in javelin, and who knows, like.
It's been wonderful coming here for the national games. After that, I've done a little bit of cricket out here, and now, of course, the wonderful 4th South Asian Senior Athletic Championship. Please carry our good wishes to all your members. Greetings. We are in the month of October now, November, December, not very far away. 2026 will dawn. And I hope, as I said, the way you all have conducted this, looking forward to many more events like this in Ranchi and the state of Jharkhand.
Definitely, since government is ready, will definitely give a chance to Rachitis to watch world level athletic championship, maybe Asian, but we'll try to hold it.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for talking to us. Pathak ji has a duty to perform at the presentation from here, so we'll bid him goodbye from here. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Insights to learn from you, and this AFI channel, which we are all proud of, I'm sure will continue to get coverages all over the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we're now getting to the 200 meters final out here, and looking at the lanes. Rahman Tariq of Bangladesh is in the first lane. There he is. That's the second of them. 212 is Rifat Adam of the Maldives. That's 117 Rahman Tariq of Bangladesh. In 2 is Rifat Adam of Maldives. In 3 is Pratik Maharana of India. In 4 is Rajamuni Indusara Vidusan of Sri Lanka. In 5 is Sandeep Singh of India, the young boy. Well, he's actually 28 years old. Pratik Maharana is the younger of the two, 19 years old. So Sandeep, obviously, that bit of pressure as the experienced. Arun Mahato is in 6. 7 was slated to be Darshana of Sri Lanka, is vacant. And in 8 is KC Sushil of Nepal. The men's 200 meters. Animesh Kujur, SAF Nations, 20.32 in Korea. Sugat Tilak Rakne, Colombo, 21.09. Yes, going off there. Sandeep is looking strong. So is Pratik Maharana. The Sri Lankan Vidushan is looking good out there. Sandeep Singh it is on the bend. Sandeep going wonderful there. Pratik Maharana as well. The Sri Lankan now trying to catch up. It's Sandeep Singh all the way. It's Sandeep Singh all the way. I think he'll take it away. Sandeep does take it in lane number 5 for India. What a race this once again turned out to be. It was a duel between 3, 4 and 5. Sandeep Singh of India, Rajamuni Indusara Vidusan of Sri Lanka, and Pratik Maharana of India. It goes to Sandeep Singh, who takes the gold out here, and he takes it in absolute style. All the experience standing him in good stead. He celebrates his birthday on the 30th of this month, just 4 days away, in fact 5 days away. The other name in Indian athletics now, Sandeep Singh, 21.23. The meet record stays of Sugat Tilak Ratne 21.09, Rajamani Indusara 21.42, and Pratik Maharana 21.44. So that's the way they finish off here in the men's. Sandeep Singh the gold for India, Pratik Maharana the bronze, and Rajamani Indusara